I don't know why do I even spam views, but you know what? I think all of us have had to hear this thing. The talking first alert smoke alarms and carbon monoxide alarms. Oh no, I hate those things. Those things are so annoying. Also, all of you who would like to know about why my posts and videos got taken down, that was a conscientious choice because I specifically did not want to keep them up any longer. Plus, I felt it just didn't do any justice. So now we're gonna see what happens. That's giving me too many bad vibes. Also, by the way, before we continue, if this triggers you, you might want to leave, because it triggers the hell out of me. Yeah, I just skipped ahead, because I don't want to hear all that. What? Whoa, whoa, whoa! What happened in this motherfucker's house? Did bro have a gas leak in his house? Bro ate too much Taco Bell. And I know it wasn't the same thing, don't make a fucking comment. Yeah, I post things. Was. Please see manual, XD.
We're gonna do a please see manual.
What are you doing, kid? Why are you pouring whatever that was in a smoke alarm? You're gonna destroy it! Oh my god, and the idiocy of some people. Oh, they're doing it more? And hopefully you won't do that shit again. I actually want to see what kind of level of idiot has this. Oh my god, is this kid really autistic? This kid's autistic, guys. Look at this shit. He's literally like, his smoke alarms. You're torturing smoke alarms. Those are things that people could. What are you doing? You're single-handedly keeping First Alert and all these other horrible companies, and I know they save lives, but they trigger the fuck out of me, and they pretty much make me have a heart attack every time I hear them. The loud ones going, hurry, evacuate, there's a smoke alarm or blah, and there's like a smoke leak or carbon monoxide leak. It scares the shit out of me. Anyway. Let me see what this is. Oh, okay, so another kid is autistic aspertiga. Shouldn't say that. Hi, doggy! Sorry, my dog says hello to me.
Yeah, I want to say hello. I want to say hello.
I actually genuinely want to see some of these videos, but I don't want to do them. I'm going to do them after the video because I kind of want to. I'm going to try to see if I'm going to make a second video, but I don't want it to be more than 5 minutes. Oh, I want to see that. Definitely want to see that. No, let's not see manual. Let's not see manual, kid. Let's not. Only the true goats would remember how fucking scary that shit was. I'm just gonna speed it. I'm chipmunking. Chipmunking! Still chipmunking. Oh my god, bruh. This motherfucker's autistic. Oh, so we're not actually gonna get to hear any of these things going off. Interesting. What? I gotta see this shit, motherfucker. I'm saving Please See Manuel. No! Buddy Rubino.
So here's another one of these interesting
You know, I want to see a.
see like for newcomers.
Oh, I see the resemblance. Holy shit. Yo, Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ! Holy Jesus Christ! Holy Jesus Christ! Holy Jesus Christ! That scared the fuck out of me. Oh, we already saw this. Okay, that's interesting. Oh, that's where no came from the other thing. Bruh. That wasn't even funny. I gotta see this from the beginning. Bruh. I don't know who that is. I don't know who that is. I don't know who that is. And I don't know who that is. So I guess we're good. I guess we aren't anywhere near that, so I guess I quit. See you guys.